All right, so we're going to look at solving absolute value equations. So we have here solve each absolute value equation or indicate that the equation has no solution. So in your notes, I have how to solve an absolute value equation. Number one, you want to make sure you get the absolute value term alone. So if you have to add a number, subtract, multiply, divide a number to both sides of the equation to get the absolute value equation, the absolute value term alone, then that's what you would have to do. Then you're going to make two equations. So as you make two equations, what I want you to understand, you're going to drop the absolute value symbol. So you're going to make a case for the positive side of the number line, a positive case. So it says here, take what is in the absolute value symbol and make it equal to the number on the other side of the equal sign, and also take that same inside part and set it equal to the opposite of the number on the other side of the equal sign. So here we have a positive case and we have a negative case. You're going to have two solutions because we have to cover both sides of the number line. So this is going to be equal to -7, and then we would solve. Okay, so add 3 to both sides. We have 2x is equal to 10. Then we're going to divide by 2. We have x is equal to 5. And then here again, we're going to add 3 to both sides, but this time we have 2x is equal to -4. Divide by 2. We have x is equal to -2. So our solutions are 5 and -2. Okay. Now, there's another way as far as representing the negative case that I just want you to see that if you forget to set the right hand side of the equal sign equal to a negative number, you can also do it for the left hand side, but it has to be one or the other as it represents the negative case. So, for example, we have the positive case. Okay, really, you're just writing the equation as is. But your negative case, instead of saying it equal to -7, we can take the left hand side and represent the left hand side as the negative component. But what you would have to do is take that negative and distribute that to both sides, and you have -2x. Excuse me when I say both sides, but both terms, and you have -2x plus 3 equals to 7. Is one or the other, but not both. Make one of the sides negative. We're still going to end up with the same answer as far as the negative case. So we would subtract 3 to both sides. We have -2x is equal to 4. Divide by -2. We have x is equal to -2. Now my personal preference for representing the negative case is representing the negative on the left side of the equation, where I would have to distribute the negative, and it's going to make life so much easier when you do it that way, as we talk about um, how to solve an absolute value inequality. So um, just be mindful that my preference is having the negative, when we represent the negative side, that the negative sign be on the left hand side of the equal sign.